Hello, I hope you're doing great. I wanted to share this video with you to actually show you what we have created, the all-in-one place for all your resources on how you can design, deploy, and manage your cloud infrastructures. Here, you will be able to watch our video tutorials, for example, on how you can set up your credentials on Brainboard to create your first architecture and to be able, for example, to deploy it using templates. Here we have advanced use cases. So for example, the one that I've created last week on Azure AKS with Log Analytics. And here we show you how you can invite your team members to design and deploy your cloud infrastructure on Brainboard. Then we also share with you our templates, the templates that have been created by my team and by our community members for you to be able to actually use them. So you simply need to go to templates, choose your cloud provider, and for example, you will be interested in using Azure VMC, then you simply need to clone the templates. You have the architecture diagram here and the code at the same time. Then we also wrote a lot of articles on Yak, Cloud Explain, cloud computing, diagram, and DevOps, and we will be happy to share them with you. Here, every month we create webinars. So the last month was a webinar on how you can design and deploy on AWS AKS Kubernetes using Brainboard, and this one was the first webinar that we have created on how we could help you getting started on Brainboard. Then we also have a community. This community is on Slack, and you can join us, and we will be really happy to welcome you in it. I hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I will be happy to help you. Have a great day.